Understanding, behind the times. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that you might have come across in conversations, movies, or books. Behind the times. This phrase is a gem in the English language, reflecting on how language can capture the essence of social and personal development. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's important for English learners to know it. Behind the times is a phrase used to describe someone or something that is outdated or not keeping up with current trends, technologies, or thinking. It implies that there is a modern standard or expectation that is not being met. This can refer to fashion, technology, opinions, and even business practices. When someone says, "You're behind the times," they're noting that there's a gap between what's current and what's being presented or believed. To help you understand how to use behind the times, let's look at a few examples. My grandfather still uses a flip phone. He's a bit behind the times. That company's approach to remote work is behind the times. Everyone else is offering more flexibility. Wearing those old-fashioned shoes, you might look a bit behind the times at the party. These examples show that the phrase can be applied in various contexts, from technology and fashion to business practices. Being behind the times can have implications for individuals and organizations. It might suggest a resistance to change or a lack of awareness about what is considered modern or efficient. In a rapidly changing world, staying informed and adaptable is key to personal and professional growth. This section encourages learners to be open to new ideas, technologies, and trends to stay relevant and competitive. We hope this exploration of behind the times has been enlightening and that you now feel more comfortable using this phrase in your conversations. Remember, language is not just about vocabulary but also about understanding the culture and nuances of communication. Keep learning, stay curious, and you'll never find yourself behind the times in your English language journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.